We're going to talk about listing these as a lot or listing these individually. And I am going to show you how I am going to list these items. Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. Okay, we are going to talk about these Franklin Mint. They're from, I believe, 1987. They are the Noah's Ark series of salt and pepper shakers. I bought these each set individually yesterday at the Goodwill for $2.99 each. I will tell you guys, I did not do a good job of looking these over, and I'm going to show you what I found. However, but first off, I just want to show you the individual sets here. These will be listed in my eBay store. People do collect these and display them from my research. You can see they say 87 FM. That stands for Franklin Mint. This one looks good. It's a tiger. I thought there was a little chip there, but it's not. It's just how it is painted. So that set looks good. We are going to look at comparables for each one of these, and then we are going to decide how we're going to list it. Okay, you guys, I just noticed this. So that is a womp, not good. Okay, guys, before we continue, I'm going to cut in here and give you a little reseller tip, a way to be more efficient when listing items such as these. All right, you guys, I'm also going to give you another little tip. I am in my saved drafts, and I have drafted up the salt and pepper shakers tiger, okay? Now, for the other shakers, the only really word I'm going to have to change is tiger to monkey or lion. So I am going to click here on this. These are my drafts that are auctioned that I'm going to wait and post later. And I'm going to I'm going to click on create a copy. And it says number of copies. Okay, I have 4 sets, and then I have the 2 individuals. But I'm just going to say that I'm going to have 6 listings. Or actually 5, because I've already done one. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit OK. This is just a way to speed things up. I'm going to scroll down here and you can see it has copied that listing, okay? So now I'm just going to have to go in and resume draft, change the animal, update my photos, and that listing is ready to go. So that is going to cut my time down drastically to get these items listed. Okay, I had to pause and take a phone call. So I think I was talking about this little frog, and unfortunately I just noticed it was cracked. There was nothing loose inside of the actual packaging, the plastic bag they were just thrown in. So it didn't break in the bag. It would have been there. I could have possibly glued it back on. So what I will probably do is list this as a replacement and just list the one. And he does need a little wipe down there. Okay, so I'm guessing, I don't know what to do with that guy. I mean, would somebody want that even if it was chipped? Should I try to sell it, you guys, and just see what happens? I'm known for selling broken items. Okay, so let's check out our monkeys here. This guy looks good. This guy looks good. I mean, I'm definitely going to make money still, so it's okay. And then we have the lions, which are just so cute. So again, it's the Noah's Ark series. I'm to assume that one is male and one is female. Super, super cute. So the lion looks good. Now, oh no, you guys, I was just wiping them down and look, the ear is broken on the lion. So again, if somebody wanted to sit it on its side like this, it wouldn't show. I don't know, should I keep it as a pair? I think I'm going to, just because somebody could do that. Okay, I'll keep you posted. I know the hippo has an issue. I just saw it when I was taking it out of the package. This guy is missing an ear, unfortunately. So, he will be listed, or I don't know. Do you think somebody would want it just to maybe show it from this side? Because if it's shown from this side, you can't tell. I don't know. I might list these two together as broken and just see if I can get a bid, just to see if I can do it. Okay, this guy looks good, so I will sell him as a replacement. So we've got these two that will be sold individually as replacements. We've got the lions, the monkeys, and the tigers. My cost of goods was $15 plus tax, so whatever that comes out to, maybe 17 bucks. Now we're going to look at some solds, but I'm going to show you how people display these, which is really, really cute. All right, you guys, here is my little frog. Let me try and get the glare off of there. You can see my white background is a light box that I use, and it does have some scuffs and marks on it because I use it for everything. So I am gonna take this filter on eBay on the laptop, and I am going to filter out that background. Now, I am gonna leave the other original photos the way they are because it does lighten up the frog a little bit. I mean, but the original photos are just so, I don't know, they just seem so dark for some reason today. And the actual frog, actually that looks about right. So I think I'm just gonna leave it. It's pretty close, right? Okay, but I'm gonna leave the other ones dark. But I can show you again. I'll show you on this guy. Just makes my background white. It's I do use a photo room also, but this is just if I want to do something fast while I'm just editing my listing. So that's a little tip for you guys if you don't know about it. I have a video on it. It does still have some shadowing. If I used photo room, it would look a lot more crisp. But this works for if I'm just doing something quick. All right, you guys, so this little display case is what this person is using to display it. I am not sure if that is actually the display case that is for this or if that's just what somebody did, but it's a great idea. So if you ever see a ARC display case, I would definitely pick that up. I probably would have started this auction higher, but you know me. So these are, golly, set of 12, and there was a best offer taken, so that's not looking real good for me. That is something different. So I'm going to try to get down here to the individual ones. Unfortunately, I do not have the owl because the owls seem to have done pretty well. Again, here are pick your pair. Okay, so this is somebody that is it's a multi-quantity listing, and I think you get to pick one pair. So that's kind of confusing, I think. I don't like it when people do this. My preference would be to show the items individually and have individual listings, but I hope the person that bought it didn't think they were getting all of them. So these are those squirrels. Those sold for $25. I don't have the squirrels. Now, see, those owls went for $18 best offer. Here's the penguins, the camels. Okay, so you guys, when I use the app, the eBay filter app, to wipe my background, this is what it does. Does it do it to you guys? It didn't used to, but it does now. I use Photo Room, and I also use on my laptop, I use the eBay filter. I have a video on that. So it looks like the drafts went for $20. Okay, here's the lions. So I have this set. So $21.99 plus shipping. I like that comp. So I'm probably going to list mine at $30 or best offer, and then my sale price will go on. And I usually run a 25 to 30% off sale. So here's the hippos. They went for 20, but I've only got one. Here's the frogs, which I only have one. Panda. So I haven't seen any tigers yet. There's the monkeys, 15. And a lot of these are in the UK, which is interesting, and they're selling for much less in the UK. Okay, there's tigers, but they're in the UK. Elephants, those are cute. All right, so the UK, I'm not really concerned about. So let's go and look at what is listed. All right, you guys, I'm in what is listed, and I've got it filtered by highest first. So $74.99 or best offer. You get the arc, you get all those little figures. Somebody's got the lions for 40. So people are listing, well, this says 3 sets. So again, if this were my listing, I would be having them, all of the items that I was selling in the original photo. This says rare. They're not really rare, but I mean, you can see there's quite a few listed. So, so these people have them listed at 34, 35. So I'm, like I said, I think I'm going to go at $30 or best offer and have my sale kick in. So maybe I'll do 35. I think I'm going to do 35 or best offer because my sale on the highest amount off would take off 30%. So that would be 3, 6, 9, what, 10.50 off of 35. So yeah, I think I'm going to do 35. And we'll just see what happens. I'm going to cross post them to Mercari and Poshmark eventually. And they may do better over there. So I use List Perfectly to cross post, and I love it, you guys. It gets my items over there quickly. I do have a video on that if you want to check it out. This is my main video, probably the best one I did. I have done some others, but I really like this one. It's a how-to cross post using List Perfectly using the bulk feature. And you guys can use coupon referral code bolobuddies, all one word, if you watch that and decide you want to try it. That will get you 30% off your first month of List Perfectly. All right, you guys, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Also, let me know how you guys would have listed these. Would you listed them as a lot individually, or yeah, let me know. Would you have tried to find the other ones and list it all together? Probably not a good idea. All right, you guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. These will be available in my eBay store, hopefully today before I get this video out. And I hope you guys learned something. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.